Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about a voice cloner. It's called VoxCPM, a tokenizer-free TTS for context-aware speech generation and true-to-life voice cloning. So they have just released a latest version called VoxCPM-1.5. So this is also on Hugging Face. If you look at the documentation, there's good explanation how this model works. And they have CLI. Also, you can see that download is available from the Hugging Face VoxCPM 1.5. The original one is called VoxCPM 2.0.5b. And so if you want to try this out, I think the best way still is the ComfyUI. So this is what we're going to talk about and demo in this video today. So as you can see here, so here is the workflow. So you can download it from the ComfyUI VoxCPM custom node repo. So just go to this repo, which is the wild minder, and then you can get the workflow from the example workflows folder. So you can click inside. You can see that there is a JSON file. Just download it and upload it to ComfyUI. So we have tutorials to show you how to install ComfyUI on Kaggle. So just follow the tutorial in the video description. So you should be able to set up the ComfyUI instance on Kaggle for free and with a GPU. So let's continue. So after you download the workflow, upload it to ComfyUI. So to use this workflow, there are a few things you have to do. The first one is to upload a audio. So to do that, you can use your own custom audios. But for this demo, we're going to use the 11 Labs. So you can go to the 11 Labs and text to speech and create a text and generate a audio. So and then download the audio. After that, and then you can upload the audio to the first node in ComfyUI. And then after that, copy and paste the tags to this section, which is called prompt tags. So it's prompt tags. So this is need to match the audio that you uploaded. So that's why we actually use the 11 Labs to match the audio and the tags. So, and that's it. After that, you can add your actual text you want the voice to be cloned. So for example, and the audio we generated is this one. Let's play it.
The fields in hues of gold, young Mia discovered a map leading to forgotten treasures. Little did she know, her cat Whiskers had a secret. He was the guardian of the map, tasked with guiding Mia to not only the treasure, but also to her destiny.
So you can see this is the audio, and then after you click run, you can generate a cloned voice. So let's just play it because this also ran. So let's just click the play.
You're baking with ingredients from the realm of madness. I am impressed and deeply concerned.
You can see that the quality is very good. And so this is how simple it is. And last but not least, so you can see that the VoxCPM is actually on Apache license. So this is very good. So you can actually use it for free. So there's no too much concerns there. And that's it. So hopefully this is helpful. And if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.